Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI Image Generator tool to generate images directly within Canva. Let's dive in and explore this exciting feature together. So first is you want to open a new project or go to the project that you're editing, right? So I'm going to just create a new design for the video and we'll just create. So once that project is open, you then want to go to Apps here at the bottom. Click on that. If you then go ahead and go to the search bar and you type in Magic Media and click on the first one, you're going to have all of these tools come up. Now, what you want to do is click on this, which is Magic Media. In the Magic Media tool, you have the option to describe the image you want. You can include details such as objects, colors, location, surroundings, and people. Simply input your description, and the AI will generate the image accordingly. In addition to describing the image, you can select a style for the generated image. There are different categories such as photography, digital art, and fine art, each offering various styles. For example, in the photography category, you can choose from styles like photo, vibrant, minimalistic, neon, and more. Feel free to explore and experiment with different styles until you find the one that best suits your needs. So let's say I want to select a vibrant style. And here you can select the aspect ratio. So I want it to be square. I'm going to type here something like a cat holding an ice cream and a cake. Like with any AI tool, the more specific you are, the better result you're going to get. I'm going to go with this one for the video, though. We'll click on this. It will take little time to generate the image. There we go. We now have an image of a cat holding an ice cream and a cake. You have the option to generate the image again if you're not satisfied with the result. Feel free to experiment with different styles and prompts until you find the perfect image for your project. That's all there is to it. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.